Today, I received my Fotopro tripod. Here is the unboxing and first look. One unique feature of this tripod is that you can order the tripod with your name laser etched into the tripod, top of the tripod leg, like here, and on the tripod head here. Included with tripod comes with the Arcus Wiz standard camera plate. You can attach it to any camera. Now, let's take a look at some other accessories and the packaging come with this tripod. So this is the tripod bag, a travel bag that comes with the tripod. Inside, you get this, one of the accessories. If you don't want the center column, you can use this one to replace it. This tripod comes with a general purpose rub tripod foot, and also it comes with 3 spares. In addition, it also comes with 3 rock claw foot. So these are for us to use on the slippery and the rocky ground. If you want to use your tripod for video, it also comes with a video handle used for video heads. Alright, I'm looking forward to use this on location.